First, tank A is 2/5 filled with water. Then Andy poured all the water from tank A into a small tank that is shown here and two identical tanks. The height of these three containers are all the same, and the three containers are filled to the brim when this whole water, the entire water, is actually, shared or poured into all these things containers. What was the volume of water in tank A at first? That is a quite simple question, because you know that this is 2/5 filled with water. So first we find the volume of the tank, that is length times breadth times height, 30 times 10 times 15, which gives 4,500 cm cube. And volume of water is 2/5 of the volume of the tank. So that is 2 by 5 times 4,500, which is 1,800 cm cube. So that's the first part of the question. The second part of the question is the base area of the small container shown here is 60 cm square, and the base area of each of these identical containers is 120 cm square. Find the capacity of the small container. Now let's identify what all we know. This whole volume of water is poured and this fills these three containers, which means that the volume of the three containers together is equal to the volume of the water, which we found out to be 1,800 cm cube. So that's the total volume of all three. And we also know that the height of these three containers, they are the same. So let's assume h is the height of the three containers. And what else we know? We know that the base area of this container is 60 cm square, whereas here these two are 120 cm square. And we know the volume formula is length times breadth, which is actually the base area. So base area times height will give you the volume of this container. The same for these two as well. So let's write them down. So the volume, the total volume is equal to 1,800. So that can be written as 60 base area times height plus 120 times height plus 120 times height, that is equal to 1,800. This is an equation with only one variable, so we can just add all these and h can be easily found out. So that we have here is, we take h as common, 60 plus 120 plus 120, that is equal to 1,800, and h is equal to 1,800 divided by the sum of 60 plus 120 plus 120, which is 300, and that is equal to 6 centimeters. So the height we know now is 6 centimeters. So if you want to find the capacity of the smallest container, that is 60 times the height. So volume or capacity of this is equal to the volume. So the volume formula is base area times height, which is equal to 60 times 6, which is equal to 360 centimeter cube, which is the volume of the smallest container. Hope this was useful. I know it's a simple problem. I hope I was able to explain it better so you could understand. So thanks a lot for watching. Happy learning and have a great day. Take care. Bye.